Okay, so now we're on to the application type problem. So the first one here, ATM fee, says the average surcharge for non-account holders who use an ATM can be modeled as the following. So we get this nice function. Now, X is going to be the number of years since 1998, and the data is going to be between 1998 and 2007. So we want to first write the derivative for the model. So we want to find f prime of x. Okay, so let's kind of put everything in one step to make it a little easier. So bring the 3 down times this. So that's going to be 0.012x subtract 1, 2. And then we're going to have a minus, and then we have the 0.061, and now we're taking that times the 2, and so that's going to be a 0.122 x. Now we take off 1, and we just have the 1. And now we have a 1 here, so bring that down, so it's going to be plus 0.299. Okay, and what's the unit's going to be for that? That's going to be dollars, and it's going to be per year. Okay. All right. That's the derivative, and so now that's part A. So part B, what does it ask? It asks for estimate the transaction fee in 2011. Well, 2011 is going to be, 13 years from 1998, and so the transaction fee is just going to be F of 13. So plugging that into our calculator, we'll have 0.004 times 13 to the third minus 0.061 times 13 squared plus 0.299 times 13 plus 0.899. And I did what I always do, so I put those and forgot to go down because we have the cube there. So 13 cubed, and then I have to go back again. So minus 0.061 times 13 squared, and then plus 0.299 times 13 plus 0.899. And so we get 3.265. So we get 3.265, but that's going to give us 27 if we round to the nearest penny, and that's dollars. And so that's how much it's going to be when we get it. It was normally 3.265, but again, we're going to want everything in dollars and pennies, so that would be how we'd round it to that. Okay, and again, all we did is we plugged in 13 in all of our x's. So now it says, estimate the rate of change of the ATM fee in 2009. Well, so then 2009 minus our 1998, that's going to be 11. So we're going to find f prime of 11. And so we just plug in 11 to this. So 0.012 times 11 squared minus 0.0, oops, 0.122 times 11 plus 0.299, and we get 0.049, so that's going to be $09 per year. Okay. Now, with this one, it's a rate, so we don't care about if it's more decimal places. It's fine to have that, but when we actually want the fee, then the fee we need to have that as something you're actually going to pay, and so that would be our paid fee. Whereas the rate, it can be however many decimal places we want to go. And this one, it comes out at 0.409, so we'll just leave it 0.409 per year. Okay. All right, so I'll stop and I'll just do each application by itself.